Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 30th of December 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty January future and Nifty January future. So whatever's happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, so now let us get started with the Nifty January future first. Coming with the Nifty January future, the previous close here is at 18,292. Open is today at 18,338. High is at 18,374. Low is at 18,172. Alright, so now let us move to the chart on a 3-minute time frame and see how the market has performed for the day and what we can expect on the Monday. Alright. So the market's been around slightly a gap up from the previous close, but the market opened a gap up, but the first candle was made in red. Post that, the markets went up till the resistance number 1 at 18,371 and took a strong resistance over there in order to create a lower highs to the bottom side and then touch the support number 1, which was approximately at this point, if you can see, and then the lowest was created 18,271. After that, the market went slightly up high again in order to make this in line. After that, the market even continued to fall even further. It fell so further that it touched and break even below the support number 4, which was at 18,172. After that, the market has managed to close at 18,219, and even we can see the last one candle which we saw a heavy volume. The one candle on 3-minute time frame itself is from 275 to 184. That's like 3 minutes. In less than 3 minutes we have seen an 100-point fall coming in Bank Nifty, Nifty this January future. So what we can expect on Monday is we can expect a huge gap up to be happening approximately over this point at 18,285, and my first target would be at 18,370. So let us see on Monday how the market will perform. All right, so now let's go to the Bank Nifty January future. So the previous close over here is at 43,376. Open is at 43,501. High is at 43,606. Low is at 43,002. All right, so now we have Bank Nifty January future, and we'll be moving on a 3-minute time frame, and we'll see how the market has performed for the day, and then we'll also see the possible predictions for the Bank Nifty on Monday, all right, which will be January. So the market was approximately this point, and then when the market is this point, it has closed approximately this point and slight test. It was a flat opening and went up high to create 43,600 and above, but could not sustain much, as said. Even in the Bank Nifty, the January future has also happened the same. Could not sustain much. From there, the market started to fall below so much so that it went on till the bottom at 43,241. From there, the market went a little bit sideways up until 254, and in one candle, in less than 3 minutes, we have seen 381, 2 and 43,065, which is approximately 300 points down. Downtrend has come in less than 3 minutes, which is something huge, and then cannot be explained. So many stop losses might have been hit suddenly. I personally was a long position on this at this moment, and I myself lost more than like 40-50 points, and then slippage happened over here. So but we cannot say anything, or we cannot expect any of these movements to be incoming. But what we can see with the volume is the first candle is red, and then the first volume is also red, and even in the next volume is red, and the next candle is also great. Okay, the possible prediction for me on Monday would be opening at approximately 43,350 and above. My first target would be 43,700. So let us see how the market will perform on Monday. All right, so thank you so much for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Peace. Thank you.